Good day traders, my name is Boo from Price Action Masters. So today I'll be analyzing with you the GBP CHF. I'm looking for price action activities here that are very much interesting. So we kinda reached the range on a generally bearish market. So what I see now currently on a weekly chart, I see that price actually has done something very interesting right there. We see that panic sell off following the coronavirus pandemic announcement. Everybody has been selling the GBP CHF and it has massively dropped right there. We have a little bit of correction of price right there, but currently we see on the previous week price establishing the first higher low right here. First higher low, we've got our lower low at that moment. How do I actually confirm that this is the first higher low? It's because after the price has actually risen, it has broken the previous high and actually closed above it, and then actually establishing the new highs. So generally on a weekly chart we see that the new highs has been established here. We have the higher low, the higher high, higher low, and then the new higher high is established. So because of this current setup on a weekly chart, this makes me believe that the price is going to continue to the bullish direction. So therefore I'm going to do a top-down analysis starting from the weekly chart to the daily chart, 4 hours, and worst of it all is going to be a 1 hour chart. So going down to the daily chart, you can see some price action activity as well right here. Price has actually shown that area of significance on the daily chart, which has our previous obvious area of resistance, has been broken and price has closed above it. So what am I expecting on this current daily chart? I'm expecting a minor retracement, price coming here, give us a signal on a smaller time frame so that the price can continue on its bullish direction. So my weekly and daily chart, they actually concur that the price is still gonna be a bullish side. Going further down to 4 hour chart, we can see nicely price giving us a very beautiful bullish footprint. We've got the lower low right there, higher high, and then higher low. So these are the first pattern that we must see in order for price to give us to say this is the bullish trend. So we see a nicely established bullish trend right there on a 4 hour chart. What we can actually expect again on a 4 hour chart, we still expect retracement of price, and then we expect a nice pin bar or any signal whatsoever at that previous high, so that price can actually further continue on its bullish direction. So from the weekly chart, daily chart, 4 hour chart, it gives us the same signal to say that the price is actually bullish, but we are going to actually wait for retracement. Since all this price activity has happened on Friday, we can actually expect that over the weekend price might have retraced, and therefore there is no documentation of that retracement on our chart, but we can expect that all what we are expecting now might have happened over Saturday and Sunday, and therefore when the market opens on Monday, we can actually expect maybe a gap or a gap on the top. It is possible, highly likely, and in that instance we can actually wait for price action to give us a signal to enter and go along with the buys. So we can actually further go down the time frame on a 1 hour chart. Here we can see a different game altogether. We see a massive rally right here, price going up on the bullish direction, but where the price is actually closed, we start to see an inside bar. The definition of an inside bar is that the range of the candle falls within the range of the previous candle. So you can actually see that this is actually an inside bar, even though it's not very clear on the top, but looking at the price level, you can actually see where the highs of the 1 hour bar has reached compared to the previous bar. So therefore this can actually act as a signal when the market opens on Monday morning. So I think that I'm going to take this signal as well, no longer expecting the price to come and retest that area, but I would rather use a pending order depending on where the market actually opens. If the market opens anywhere within the range of the inside bar, I'm going to put my pending order right on top right there, and in this case my pending order will be at this level at 1.21960. is going to be a buy stop, expecting that when the market opens right here, it will open here and then move to the bullish direction, since our bias is for the bulls to dominate, and it kicks me in and takes me along with it. And my stop loss is going to be very tight. As soon as I am activated into the bullish direction, I won't expect the market to further fall down. So my stop loss is going to be just below the candle that is forming the inside bar. So if you look at this right here, this will be my risk, and then my reward is going to be on a bigger time frame. So I'm going to look at my reward on a daily chart. So this is what I'm expecting on at the end of the day. Price can actually go all the way up to 1.25504, and this risk reward ratio is actually crazy. I mean, if we enter on this pending order, which is going to be a buy stop, it can give us at least 1 to 8 risk reward ratio at the end of the week. So this is a trade that you can actually hold for longer, but we can actually expect that more than 1 to 3, at least 1 to 4 we can get. So please subscribe to my channel if you like this content, and hit the thumbs up button, and enjoy your trading.